Welcome, guys. So today, our day 5 of teaching in English. So we will discuss and we will teach. I will teach you in English topic of Python. The topic is function. Okay, what is function? Function is basically that you can see here function is basically that code of statement or that code of block that uh, repeat or execute when our need, like a function means this is a block of code and we can reuse it when our need, and function we can call function, and function is basically a block of code of reusable code that's perform a specific task and runs a specific line or statement, and it's clear helps to make code clear, short, and organized way to manage the code. Okay, and let's see how function works. You have to write function name function sorry you have to write here def. Okay, def means you define a function. Okay, write only def and write your function name. You can choose anything, your function name. I'm taking a function name like uh, grid. Not, I'm taking like a. Okay, I'm taking a simple a. Okay, and just colon here, write a colon here, and you can write here print hello world. Okay, this is a function. Okay, and you have to call it here. Okay, you have to call it here, but there is a problem, there is a error. We have to declare function and also add brackets here, and this is a function. Okay, so what is the work of what is you here what is doing means what is work here, like the program will start. Okay, the program will start and checks line by lines to execute the command or execute the code. Okay, compile line by line and runs line by line. Okay, first line nothing. Okay, next line, line nothing, third line nothing, then fourth line it will def. So compiler search compiler think this is a function. This is a function, it already defined as this is a function. Then this store the function name as a. Okay, name as a, and store for next use or in the future use. Okay, it's just store like variable. Okay, store function a, and then next line is stored in the function that this is a line like print hello world. Okay, next this next 6 line is empty, then 7 lines empty, then 8 line is it is says a bracket means call a. What is call a? Compiler already know what is a. A is a function and which have the code. So the compiler means we have to call it, means call means execute this function. Execute this function. Okay, so we have to call it a function. So a function is called through compiler, and compiler call it and runs execute these lines in the function. And what is the line? Print hello world. Okay, it is a simple simple code. Okay, we have to run. Let's check. You can see here hello world is print. Okay, now we can we can also call it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, like here you can see here the print hello world call 4 times because because we call functions 4 times. Okay, this is the function. So what is the use of function? Function is used to reuse the code. Suppose I want to here uh, I want to here if statement. Okay, if a is equal to equal to 1, then print 1. Okay, else print sorry. Okay, this is a function. Okay, this is the function. What is the work of this function? uh, we can see here when we when we write here when we write here this function, you can see here you can see here now what's happening here. I don't write call the function. Okay, I don't write call the function. This is not I am writing. So what is compiler doing? Compiler not call a, it is declare, it is store a function but uh, not will call a. Okay, let's see. But what is a, what is a? So we have to declare here input input sorry, a is equal to input uh, write write value write value 1. Okay, so what is the logic of this code? First line says nothing, then is store the function, then its input gets its input. It's simple inputs, you know about that. I am not going to detail. It's simple input the value like I'm so sorry, I am not go details. You just know about it. Input is a function to input or scan the value from the user. Okay, it's scan the value from the user in a outbox in a means output. Okay, and store the value in a store the value in a. So next line if statement I will also explain if statement. So if statement what is if statement? If statement checks the condition a is equal to 1. When the a is equal to 1 means the user store a, sorry, the user write a, the user type a, sorry, 1 sorry 1, the user type 1. So 1 is stored in the a, and next line the condition checks a equals to 1, and user, if the user print or write a, sorry, write 1 in a, so its condition is true. Its condition, if this condition is true, then print 1. Or it is false, user not write a or typing a, sorry 1, sorry 1. Okay, type 1. So the print sorry. Okay, this is a logic of the function. So let's run it, and not this function is not call here. Okay, you can see here I am running this code. You can see here write value 1. Okay, write value 1. What is saying? Write value 1. I am write 1. Okay, and just enter. You can see here. Okay, what is a, and I'm writing 2. This is a is a equals to 1. Oh yes, this input gives only string. Sorry, this input scans only string. This is not scan integers, so we have to declare here integers, means we have to convert into integers. This string we have to convert into integers. So 1, you can see here 1 is print, and when we enter 2 or 3 something like, so you can see here sorry is print. Okay, this is the logic of this code, and this is the same function in sorry, this is same statement, same line in the function. Okay, so I will cut it, and you can see here now a is a first this, what is the happening in this code now? First scan the value from the user. Okay, in this 10 line. Okay, this is stored in the memory, and this is uh, scan the value of from the user of a, and next we have to call the function. Okay, we have to call the functions. Okay, we have to call the function, because this code execute for the code execute. Okay, now 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 this function knows this function means this function knows cannot know about a. You can say as this function cannot know about it. I will change the value b. Okay, because the function and variable confusing. Okay, it is not error, but we are confusing. So and here is b. Okay, so what is b? What is b? Function not know about b, so uh, we have to uh, put or you can say as use the variable to the function, means we have to write here b. We have to write here b. This is a function. Okay, sorry, we have to write here b, means this is a function. This is a function. This is a function. Okay, sorry, this is a function. Okay, we change the function name to a2 function. Okay, this is a function, and function call it, but also be with variable that is b, and also here to write b. Now it is work. You can see here write a value of means what work here. You can say has the 4 to 9 it saves the function, then 10 line it scan the value of b from the user, then next line it's call the function b. Sorry, function, call the function that's name is function. Okay, and also gives the variable b, gives the variable b. uh, and and next 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 now it goes to 5 line. Now it goes to 5th line and execute this code. Now from 5th line. Okay, what 5th line says, if the b equal to 1, if the b equal to 1, what I write is 1, so print 1 and not 1. So write sorry, print sorry. This is the uh, this is the uh, this is the function, and we also call it many times. Okay, you can see here, write value of 1. I am writing 1. Okay, now it store the b, it store into b. We have to call it, we have to call it this line, repeat this line repeating. Okay, so we have to write here like that. And next, when, oh, this is the end. Okay, this function going so huge, but this is the function, this is the function to call it by our need, and reduce the lines of code, which you can see here. I am writing numbers of codes in the, you can see here speak function. This is a speak function, and this speak function is print text, and text give from, yeah, this, oh yes, this called as parameters, this called as parameters. And in, and you and you can see here this, what is this text, text when the function declare and text is written, this is called as parameter, this is called as parameter, remember it, this is called as parameter. Okay, this is called as parameter. And 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 this is a function. Okay, this is a function, this is a function in, you can see as this is a function. And these functions, these functions give arguments, what is called as arguments. This is arguments, and this is a, and this is a, where is this, this is a parameters. Okay, this is a lines, you can see here, this is a function and it's have lines, and this is the function, it's have lines. This is function, this is function, is many of function in this code. And you can see here if statement, if statement, you and uh, create file code, means this is the function to call block of code that execute when our need, and we call it many times. And when we debug the code, it is easily, it is easy to debug the code, because in this program, you can see here, you can see here, we, when we, like now, okay, this is a program. Okay, okay, let's see, let's see, when this one, enter input weather is rainy. Okay, weather is rainy, continue mode. Okay, okay, I will see, I sorry, I will see, show you what is happening here when the function, when the function, you can see here, you can see here, when this line is written in the function, this executes first, this executes first, then executes these lines, means this function, these lines skipped, you can say as this line skipped, and execute this line, then this line run assistant. This is a function, this is a function, this is a def function. Then what is the function uh, do, print, first print smart aj, you can see here smart aj print, then load data, load data, load data is a function, then go to the load data. Okay, go to the load data. Okay, when I am create error here, when I am create error here, so I am change the function. Okay, okay, you can see here. And when I'm, when running it, okay, you can see here, you can see here smart assistant is print. Okay, here the smart assistant is print. And next, file D in a mood means mood means in this mood file, the run assistant, in this run assistant you can see here the line 144 144 in the run assistant means in the where is the error in the function of run assistant, means in this function error is here. Then in this file also, line 120, in the line 120 load data, this is a error because not this function is not available. This is a function. Okay, you can see here. So when when the we have to call the multiple lines or the block of code many times, so function is used. This is the function. Today's topic is end. And our 7 days challenge or of to speak and teaching in English of topic of Python language. And you have to you want to learn topics and see my projects or uh, grow with me and challenge their challenges. So connect with me. And this is the 5 day today's sorry tomorrow is 6th day. And we will discuss about where is the discuss about if else statement. What is the if else statement and what he can do. Okay. So goodbye and see you later in the next video.